Hi, today we are coming back to our ticketing application that was created in Saleor. In the last video that we published, we are talking about creation of the tickets. If you didn't see it, you can go to the right corner and catch up. Today, we will be talking more about the order itself and how the client can simply buy a ticket and proceed to a checkout. Okay, let's navigate to our website and step by step make an order. We are currently on the main page. Let's navigate to our pilgrimage section and choose one position. We'll go with this one. As you can see, we are able to choose the type of the ticket and add it to a basket. On the bottom of the website, we can see more details about our event. Let's jump into our buyout process. Starting from the ticket amount, in this case, we want to buy 2. Simply click it, add to the basket, and in the right corner, go to your order. In the summary section, just put your billing information and agree on the terms. After filling all the fields and providing your card details, go to the continue to review, and this is it. You have your order ready. Thanks for watching.